Assalamu alaikum viewers. Hope you all are fine and doing well. So, firstly, we discuss a most important and most valuable topic that you haven't seen anywhere, and mostly people don't know about this topic that we are discussing. So, let's start. Firstly, we discuss the main topic and the important topic, that is how to upload 5 videos or 4 videos at a time in your YouTube. Yes, you can upload your 5 videos at a time in your mobile in your YouTube by some application that I am discussing with you. It is the easiest way for YouTubers that are use YouTube and upload more videos if they haven't time and they want to upload their 5 videos or 4 videos at a time in their mobile phone. So firstly, let's start. Before starting, if you are new in our channel, so you must have to subscribe and press the bell icon for more notifications. So let's start. Firstly, you open your Play Store and search there MX Player. Mostly people use MX Player, but they don't know what is the benefit of MX Player, because everything has some benefits. So open MX Player and then you see I have downloaded. If you haven't downloaded, so you have to download it firstly, and then you click on the button of open. And when you open, click here, and then you can see it's open and they are saying that you have to do something, so you click on note now, and then they are said that your applications are not having access for us, so you give us access, so you have to allow because they haven't opened if you don't allow. And click on here and you can see this is MX Player, so open here and click on allow access to management all files, and then close this function. And then you can see here we can back from here, and then you can see my all the applications that in my phone, that my videos are available here. You can also watch videos here, but today the most important topic is how to download, how to upload videos. So as you know, you have videos, in your folder, in which folder you have do your file, you have to copy here. So where your video are existing, so you have to open that folder. For example, I have copied in my this folder, so I am opening this, and now you can see I have opened this. So here I have a short, so I have a short of this video. I want to upload it YouTube at a 5 times. So if you you can see here my folder name is alarms, and here I have copied one file. So first of all, you have to click on three, you have to press hold on this video, that video you want to upload 5 times. And then you can see here is the option of this thing. It means you want to copy something, so you have to copy. Click on here, and then you can see they are say where you want to copy. So again I am opening the same my folder, that is alarms, and then open this, and then click on that is right bottom part, copy here. When you copy, click on copy here, so it being copied, and you can see there is one and there is two videos, and you want to upload two videos, so you have to upload two, or if you want to five, so you have to copy five. Now again select both of them and then copy, and then go again that folder and then copy here, and you can see I have four videos. Again I copy one time, and then in alarms you have to copy here. Now you can see I have 5 videos. You can count 1 2 3 4 and 5, and now we are copying all of them, 1 2 3 4 5. And then you click on your top paste, right click, that is right click, three dots, and then click here, and you want to share, you click on share where you click on share, and here you click on your YouTube where you want to, but the main topic is in YouTube, so you click on YouTube. When you have click on YouTube, they are saying that in which folder you want to mention, that you want to copy that, or you want to upload that. So you want to upload in your channel, so first of all they are saying doing give them some title or some video title. So first of all, I have copied my title in my notepad, so I am clicking there. First of all, I have copied my title in my notepad, so I am copying from there. As you can see, I have copied my title here, so now I am copying that, and that you can hold them, and then I have to copy. I have done this, and then again I open my YouTube channel and click hold on, and you can see there is option that is about paste, and paste it, and you have to click on upload. And when you click on upload, and again you, if you want to give some description or other things, if it's depend upon you, then upload, and the videos has been uploaded. And you can see there are also 5 to all videos are uploading, and this is very easiest way to upload anything in your mobile in your YouTube. So hope you all understand. If you have any question or other questions you want to ask me, so you can ask in the comment section. Thank you so much. And you can see this has been uploaded in few seconds, not much more time, it's uploaded in few seconds. And if you haven't like this, I have one videos has been two videos has been okay, and all the videos are ready to watch. So it means you have uploaded this thing in your mobile in when you want. So thank you so much. If you have any type of question in your about YouTube channels or other things, you can ask in the comment section, and I will respond you as much as possible. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.